Hey everybody, this is John Highley. We're going to be working on this Dodge Ram door. As you can see, we actually have it mounted on a stand. We're going to be using the rapid metal movement technique, and if you guys are not familiar with that, I'm actually going to be using an inflatable on the inside of the panel. So we got a $6 pump here and a $5 basketball. Just to take a look at this again, you can see the crown went way up into the edge. This is not a soft dent by any means. We tried to push it out with our hand and had no luck at all. It is in there very, very tight. So right here is where we're going to be going through and inserting this ball back in behind the impact point. Now we are basically going to pump and inflate it right under the deepest part of the dent. As you can see here, we're starting to get a little bit of metal movement, and you'll see me I'm kind of pumping away right here. It did get a little bit tight with the hand pump, but as you can see, little by little, the dent is just going to work its way. You'll see it start to crown up a little bit, and it's starting to get further and further out, and bam, there it went. Thing just actually molded that dent, right out to a very, very workable position. As you can see, it kind of swelled the crown right out of the top of the line, left me a few little shallows to work up. Very happy with the result here. Otherwise, I would have a lot of pushing to get this exact same result. I'm going to have to go in and do a little bit of crown work here and there and just basically fix some shallows. There is a little bit of a crease running through it, but to get it this far along in that amount of time is exactly what we're looking for. So anyhow, folks, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial here, and keep checking us out here, and we'll catch you on the next one.